Hello friends, myself Kesri. Welcome to our YouTube channel I for Java. In this series, we are going to learn crash course of Git. So let's have an overview what we are going to learn. So in this series, I will teach you step by step from beginner to expert level what is Git and GitHub, why it is special, why we should learn it, how to install Git in your system, what command we should learn must, what is master in GitHub, what is repository, what is main of VCS, what is main of pull and push command, what is branch, how to create it, how to merge changes in master, what is staging in Git, what is commit, and much more. Updates also will be continue in this series. Okay, so let's understand what is Git. It is version control system for tracking changes in computer files. GitHub is a Git repository hosting service, but it adds many of its own features while Git is a command line tool. GitHub provides a web-based graphical interface. It also provides access control and several collaboration features such as wikis and basic task management tools for every project. At the heart of GitHub is Git, an open source project started by Linux creator Linus Torvalds. Matthew McClough, a trainer at GitHub, explained that Git, like other version control systems, manages and stores revisions of projects. Although it's mostly used for code, McClough says Git could be used to manage any other type of file such as Word documents or Final Cut projects. Think of it as a filing system for every draft of document. Why it is special? Why GitHub? And why are developers so excited about it? You may have heard that GitHub is a code sharing and publishing service, or that it's a social networking site for programmers. Both statements are true, but neither explain exactly why GitHub is special. GitHub is special because of its core concept, like it can keep track of your code history, takes a snapshot of your files. You have to decide when to take a snapshot by making a commit. You can visit any snapshot at any time. You can stage file before committing. You can also see this, it is a distributed version control system. We can coordinate work between multiple developers. We can keep track of who made what changes and when. We can revert back at any time. We can have both local and remote repository. So these are some basic commands what we have to learn. Okay, git init is used for initializing our local repository as a git. Okay, git add is used to add file to index. Git status is used to check status of our working tree. Git commit is used to commit changes in index. Git push is used to push our code into a remote repository. Git pull is used to pull the latest update from the remote repository. We can use git pull command. To clone latest update from the repository, we can use git clone command and we can clone the whole repository in our local repository. So let's have a look how to install. So installing Git in a Linux, you can use command sudo apt-get install git. For Linux, Fedora, you can use sudo yum install git. For Mac and Windows, you can just visit to this site and from there you can download Git according to your system. So let's go and check out how to install Git in our system.